happens to everyone. We're getting older, and as we do, we start to feel the effects of age. Maybe you've started to notice the wrinkles growing around your eyes. Maybe you've noticed your energy and stamina declining. You'd love to feel the way you did when you were young, but that fountain of youth continues to elude you. Until now, that is. Thanks to science, we're finally unraveling the mysteries of aging, and more importantly, how to prevent them. And one of the biggest breakthroughs scientists have made is understanding HGH, or human growth hormone, and the role it plays in aging. You see, HGH begins to decline as you get older, leading to many age-related issues like decreased cognitive function, decreased energy, a decreased lean muscle, just to name a few. Unfortunately, HGH therapy, where synthetic HGH is injected into your body, is reserved by doctors for very special cases. And even if you were approved for it, HGH therapy is very expensive, and in some cases, dangerous. So does this mean we have to resign ourselves to the inevitable effects of getting older? The good news is no, because although HGH therapy probably isn't an option, we've discovered a way to stimulate your pituitary gland to maintain its HGH production as you age. And the way I'm talking about is called GenF20 Plus. GenF20 Plus is a daily supplement that includes both a pill and a spray that's been scientifically formulated to stimulate the production of HGH, and in turn preventing and even reversing the signs of aging associated with declining HGH levels. This all-natural supplement is designed to increase your physical stamina, increase lean muscle mass, give you clearer, healthier vision, help you sleep better, strengthen your immune system, and maintain your cognitive abilities as you age. Now, we never claimed GenF20 Plus to be the fountain of youth, but it could very well be the next best thing. So, what are you waiting for? Get your supply of GenF20 today and begin restoring the younger you.